welcome to my channel. My name is Sherry and this is Made by Huff. I wanted to jump on and do a quick video today. I haven't been on in a while. We've had some illnesses running through the family and that's really kept us going. Anyways, Happy New Year to everybody. Let's hope that 2022 is a great year for you. I only wish the best for everyone out there. And I wanted to share with you what I got for Christmas. Are you ready for it? Here it comes. It is the cutest little thing ever. Cricut Joy. This is so cute. Voila! But I love this little thing. It is so cute. It is so fun to use. The app was so simple to get onto my phone. I do have it on my computer also. So if I wanted to really look at it up close and do a lot of detail, I can do that on my computer and then save it and just bring it up on my phone. No buttons on this. Look at this. No buttons. Just the little plug-in cord and just the little indicator light. And it is so simple to use. So I received a bundle, and in the bundle I got 12 cards with inserts and envelopes. And I believe this is the macaroon sampler. So pretty colors in here. I really like them. It also came with these handy dandy tools. And I really like these. It came with the smart vinyl, because this Cricut does use smart vinyl. The nice thing about this is you do not have to have a mat to run your materials on. So if you're buying it like this in the package, the smart vinyl, it's already on its own mat. It just feeds right into the machine and goes that way. And it is really great. And then it came with transfer tape. So there's a whole roll in here. I've already taken a little piece off and used it. And then I put the sheet back on it, tucked it back in here so that I can reuse it again. May as well reuse it until you can't use it anymore, right? Okay, so the first thing that I did was I followed the let's get started. Has you log on, has you check your materials, and then it has you do a couple of things. That's what I did. First thing I did was I made this. Before you freak out, don't worry. It's not on my mat. It is on the protective coating that goes on top of the mat. So I remember, let's see if you can see that there. I remember watching someone's video, because I've been watching tons of video on Cricut now. And she had put a little verse or saying on her sheet so that it did not get lost in the mess. And I thought, what a great idea. I want to do that. So I did the sunflower with the sheet of vinyl that they provided to do your test cut on. So I picked out the sunflower, did that, weeded it out. Well, yeah, followed all the instructions that it said to do. And turned out really cute. So the second thing I did was I did a card. Now, of course, when you're learning something new, there's always going to be learning curves. So I did this really cute sloth graduating because, well, it's another year, and with another year comes what? Graduation for kids. So as we have our nice young adults that are seniors this year that are preparing to go out into the world, send them off with a cute little card. It's so cute, little sloth is so cute. So it was fun to make. I did one of their ones that said, I picked the card and I made it. And so that's what happened there. Now, I would have, if I had known at the time, which I should have, because God knows I've watched enough videos lately, I would have moved this down, but I didn't. So by not moving it down, I wound up having my slits too close to the top for the blank coming up. It'd be a really cute idea to do this. Put fun cardstock behind it. Maybe put their name on it. Even put 2022 on it. It will be fun. So, and that's what's left of the vinyl. And yes, I'm saving it because I'm sure that I will be able to use it some other time. So that is it for my Cricut Joy. And I can't wait to go get some fun colors and make some new stuff and share that all with you. So this year may be the year of the Cricut. I'm sorry. This year is going to be a fun year, and I can't wait to share a lot of my ideas and just try out some new things and do that all with you. So thank you for tuning in today. Please give this video a like and share if you want to, and by all means please subscribe, because I do want to grow this channel. On this channel, it is for sewing and embroidery and crafts. There are so many fun things that we can do. I cannot wait to use the Cricut Joy in junk journaling. Oh, the paper. I have tons of paper. I can't wait to do some nice things with this. So it's going to be fun for that. And it's just going to be a blast. So hit the notification bell so you know when my next video comes out. And give this video a like, please. Subscribe. Help me grow. That is always greatly appreciated. And just know that when you do subscribe, it warms my heart. And when you do watch this video, it warms my heart to know that there are people out there that like what I'm doing and sharing. And I do appreciate that 100%. So for now, for today, have a God bless day. And we'll see you next time.